Top 5 Best Beauty Products for a Flawless Face. Looking to enhance your skincare and makeup routine? Here's a dynamic list of the top 5 beauty products loved by enthusiasts worldwide. Each item is designed for unique skin needs, ensuring a flawless and radiant complexion. Let's dive in. A lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that hydrates and repairs your skin barrier. Perfect for sensitive skin, it contains prebiotics to nurture healthy skin. Key benefits: hydration, soothing, and non-comedogenic. This long-lasting, buildable foundation comes in inclusive shades, offering a matte finish for a camera-ready look. Key benefits: sweat-resistant, lightweight, and inclusive. Banish blemishes with this affordable serum. It minimizes pores, controls oil, and delivers a bright glow. Key benefits: reduces redness, balances oil, and brightens. Achieve a dewy, plump complexion with this celebrity-loved moisturizer. It primes and hydrates your skin for makeup perfection. Key benefits: anti-aging, intense hydration, and priming qualities. Protect your skin from harmful rays with this invisible, weightless sunscreen featuring a clean, matte finish. Key benefits: broad-spectrum SPF, lightweight, and pore-friendly. Curate your perfect beauty routine today with these must-haves.